So this is a short video on getting the perfect mortar mix for laying bricks and blocks. Take 10 trowelfuls of building sand to 2 trowelfuls of cement. If the sand is quite wet, you'll need less water when mixing. You may also want to consider PPE, for example, eyewear, protective eyewear, gloves, and a mask. Try and get the trowelfuls roughly equal. Take 2 trowelfuls of cement. I thought the trowelfuls weren't quite as full as I did it with the sand, so I just added a little bit extra. I find it's better to have a little bit extra than not enough of the cement. So depending on the product you're using, this one I showed you on the packaging is a 5:1 ratio for mortar. Have a bucket of water and add water very gradually, roughly 100 ml to begin with, and then mixing with a paddle mixer and cleaning your paddle mixer off after in the water. This mix is too dry, it looks a bit grainy and a bit sandy. This mix is slightly too wet, although when you mix it, it may be close to perfect. So just add very small amounts at this point to get the perfect mix. Just a little trickle of water at a time, and just mix by hand. Set yourself up a base at the perfect working height. I'm using a metal sheet to put the mortar on. So this mix is too dry and too stiff. This one's just right. You can see by the consistency. We're just adding a bottle cap at a time and mixing in well. Make a little hole in the middle for it to go into. And this should be the perfect mix for bricks and blocks, and you can adjust them nicely when they're in position then. Thank you for watching.